All right, y'all, it's now time for the last section, 7 and 8. I'm going to go ahead and clear all my other work previously. There we go. And I'm only going to solve 7. Actually, I don't even think I'm going to solve 7. What I'm going to do is show you the one trick you need on this. So in the defense of y'all, you know how math teachers always scream about what y'all don't know. We're crazy people. I recognize this. I did not focus on the first semester enough on these things, this x squared, a minus sign, and a square root. But I have focused on it a lot in the past 6 weeks. I am so ready for y'all to see this and be able to do it in your head quickly. I'm so ready for y'all to see, hey, x squared is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, and a minus sign is there. Your brain should scream and be like, yo, fool, something's going on here. So I'm not even going to solve this whole thing. You can find your answers on the key. What I'm going to do, though, is set you up for this problem. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do my first slide over here. I'm going to expand my fraction bar. That gives me my skeleton. And then check out this first thing over here. I'm going to do 8. Now, perfect square, the square root of x squared, the square root of x squared is x. The square root of 16 is 4. Do you see any decimals anywhere? There are no decimals. That means perfect square. They square without any decimals. But check out down here, this x squared minus 16. What do I know about this immediately? What do I know about this immediately? Well, watch what I know. Watch this. The perfect square is x. The minus sign tells me to do a plus minus situation going on, and the square root of 16 is 4. Badoom. Now, let's look at the pieces we have for our denominator. We have an x plus 4, an x minus 4, and an x minus 4. I love when it repeats because I just have to get them to match. I don't have to double up on them. So it looks like the left-hand side now literally has everything we need. The right-hand side is missing, however, x plus 4. X plus 4. It's missing that. You'll notice we didn't have to change the left-hand side. So since we didn't have to change it, we don't. Once the denominators match, you pull this down, and now you have 8 equals, oops, I didn't change colors. 3 times x and negative 3 times x and negative 3 times 4. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. I am not going to solve this for y'all. This answer, does this one come out to a fraction? Yes, this one does come out to a fraction as well, too. But go ahead and solve this one the rest of your way, and then clock number 8. What do you see down here? I'm ready for y'all. I'm ready for your brains to click and see this everywhere in the wild, because it's not going away. With that said, that is the review. Good luck on this. The answers are all on the key. You should be able to check this on your own, and that's that.